Ever notice your Panasonic photos looking a little off, with crooked lines or discolored edges? Those common issues like distortion, chromatic aberration, and vignetting are often due to your lens, but Lightroom has a powerful built-in fix. First, head over to the Develop module in Lightroom and locate the Lens Corrections panel. Within this panel, make sure the Profile tab is selected, and then simply check the Enable Profile Corrections box. Lightroom is incredibly smart. For most Panasonic lenses, it will automatically detect your lens model and apply the perfect correction profile. If for some reason it doesn't auto-detect, you can manually select Panasonic from the Make dropdown. Then, choose your specific lens model from the Model dropdown. Once apply, you'll immediately see your images transform while distortions flatten, chromatic aberrations vanish, and vignetting disappears, revealing true-to-life clarity. Leveraging these automated lens corrections is crucial for pristine image quality, turning good photos into great ones right from the start.